Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hassan. In this video, we will learn how to print colorful text in terminal using Python. Let's start out to this video. At first, we are going to open Python, and for this project, we need a module named Colorama, and we are going to import some things from that module. So from Colorama, import back for now we are going to print some colorful text. Print for dot. We are going to print red color, red plus, where's plus sign gone, plus this is red color. Let's run it. Look, the color is red. Now we're going to copy it, Ctrl C, then V. This is blue color dot blue. This is yellow color dot yellow. This is cyan color, CYAN dot C cyan. This is black color, black. This is magenta color. GEN dark color. Let's run it. Look here. Now we can also set the background color by this module. For that we need this back. Let's do it. Print back dot yellow plus hello. This is in yellow color, look, but the color is magenta. So for that we need to reset the 4. So print for dot reset. Then the color will be white. Now the color is white. Look, and by the same process we can select different types of colors and background by this module. And if we want to reset the whole thing, not only the background, we can use style. This is style, and then we have to set here style dot reset all. Then everything will be reset. But here the result is same. Let's copy it and paste it here, and now see the result. Print subscribe, and it will be normal text. Run it. Look, it is a normal text. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.